Okay, welcome to the spot. I'm about to show y'all a crib tour. Okay, this is my dream crib. This is the dream spot. Okay, we are here in the dope house with the dope girls gang. Gang.
Gang, gang.
Show gang real quick. Gang. Gang. Okay, but yeah, we out here. We got some pillars and stuff. I'm doing a tour. Y'all saw the title. Let's just hop in. We got all this grass. I don't know what to tell you.
I don't know what to tell you. Do a cartwheel or something. Can you do a cartwheel?
Alright guys, bye.
That's so cute! Yes! Come on now.
Oh,
Carla.
Is this gated? I feel like we're in the Bad Girls Clubhouse. I feel like, you know, it's exclusive. We can't get in, we can't get out.
Amen.
Okay?
Literally, like we can't get in or out.
We're hopping to the best part, which is the pool, and then we're gonna hop back to the front. Because the pool is first of all heated. We got tiger accessories and stuff in it, if y'all peep. It's like literally those pillars are slow tigers with like their mouths is squirting out water. Cool. Okay, and we got even a floaty. Drip. Okay, over here we got the hot tub. Okay, listen. They gave us a big house, okay? So keep watching. Now, this is the back house. Watch diamonds.
You're gonna have to watch mine.
Then you will see the back house.
If you want to see the back house, you gotta watch her.
Yeah.
I don't know nothing about it. Okay. So we're looping around it, right? We're going through the middle. We got this area. So here is the front. So as you can saw back around. I was at the gate. You feel me? I was at the gate. I walk around the crib. We in the center. We back at the main door. This is how I get in my house.
Welcome.
Now we're gonna go room tour. We about to have Liz do her room tour. Listen, it's been a long day. Don't judge my house tour. Mia, Mama Mia.
Mama Mia.
She stays there, and she's a bomb roommate. So this is my room. We're gonna ignore that I spilled a little something and just act like we're just focusing on this. Yeah.
her room is super cute, you guys.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
All right, then across the hallway, we have.
Alright, so this is my room.
Are you guys doing MTV Cribs?
Yes.
Yeah, we're doing MTV Cribs. This is my roommate, Kaylin.
Oh my god.
She smells amazing. What did you?
Okay.
She smells amazing.
It's so good. Something.
Thank you. Alright, so this is my room, and wait, how do you say her name?
Look at Diamond's hair.
The braid, the diamond, the detail.
You know you want that.
So this is my room. We have a bed. No eardrum. You know, the basics. We have a bomb closet though, so that's where it comes into play.
Loving it.
You got to know. And then we have a bathroom. So it's pretty basic, but it is what it is. Okay.
Okay, now. Here we go, Diamond.
Flip this.
All right, you guys, so I'm here with my girl Blanca now. This is Diamond and Blanca's crib. Y'all just saw.
Hey. Is that muffin good, sis?
I was gonna smile, but I was like, yeah.
So, now we're going to go upstairs. This is my room. You feel me? You know, listen, it's not the master suite, but we do have views. We do have views.
Wait, get us all in the camera.
Now listen, let's connect the dots, y'all. Let's play connect the dots. Guys, can we connect the dots? Do you see that down there is where the pool area? We just walked through there. You see house
Can
tour.
you see the house connects?
Connects. It's a real connection. All the rooms are the same.
Yeah, they're pretty much the same.
That's why I have my water. Okay, this is my La Croix. LaCroix.
My Crocs.
Okay. My Crocs. I'm gonna start calling these drinks Crocs. Hold up, let me just drink my drink though.
And then
ASMR.
Yes.
ASMR for you. Just learned about that. The YouTubers know about ASMR. I'm about to go home and do my research. It means it's an abbreviation for something. Can someone answer it in the comments? I really don't know.
yeah, I don't know anything.
But we're in the bathroom. This is my bathroom.
Just a bathroom.
Like all the rooms are a mess. So it's like we really should have did this like when it was super beautiful.
Yeah.
But it's still beautiful. We love Dope. Download the Dope app, okay? I'm gonna put that link down below. Follow me at Beauty by Carla. Enter my giveaways, see my favorites, and shop. Literally, You can shop at Forever 21, Boohoo, all your favorite stores, awful, in one place. You can't do that anywhere else. Then we walk into this master suite, but I have to show them how the doors work.
Don't close them all the way. Don't close them all the way.
Not all the way.
The French doors.
And then
This is how you open it.
then we're in here, okay. Say hi, everybody. We're just doing
Another one.
a room tour. Twerk. All right. So yeah, this is the master suite. They have a dope bed. As you can tell, it's a master suite. It got the crown. The bed has like a little crown on it. So I don't mean to be rushing this video, but this house is huge. So this is a master suite. So we're gonna walk through the master suite onto the back deck. Okay, we're at the top. So this is where the original gate was. And yeah, we're right outside the gate. The front door is at the bottom. We have like a deck, and that's like all that area you already seen there. We have this like little sitting area where you can sit down, chill, you know what I'm saying? They gave us a lot of free time, so I really like that there's so many areas just to chill and kick it. You know, the back deck is really dope. Okay, we're gonna walk through is this room. Let's get it. So yeah, it's just another room. I feel like the rooms are just all so like kind of the same to the point where it's like, I don't even go in detail. We got people showering, so I'm not about to invade privacy. Okay, we about to, well not people, we have one person taking a shower. And then we have a closet. And, ooh, what is this? Some cabaret. Is that the French term for cabinet?
I think it is.
Cabaret.
Yeah.
Get it, get it. And then we have the chill area. Did I get to show you guys the downstairs? We go downstairs. We're back at the front entrance. I love the chandelier though, and I really love that painting that's right on the stairs. They have really nice like abstract, like, you know, interesting, you know, paintings. So I think it's cool. And then in
Jazzy!
wow. Yeah, what's up? In here we have an extra bathroom, which I use, and it smells really good in here, and I love this bathroom. My favorite.
I didn't know we had a bathroom.
I know, isn't that nice?
It's like private,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's very private, which I like. And then that's the area you guys already seen. And then this is the living spot. Okay, we got Blanca back again.
Dude, I'm literally never clean.
I know, but it's all good. She's chilling. Food everywhere. This room we're dining. As you can tell, we had a whole family.
A whole family.
Pizza, we had snacks. This is the kitchen. I feel like I'm on a cooking show or something. What do you want me to whip up? Like, what do you want to have today? You know, you want to have like cereal? Ew, you can really, you would like, cabinet space in this kitchen is going.
Yeah, that's
I mean,
good.
that's like,
That's intense.
I can fit everything in there. But they hooked us up with the snacks, they hooked us up with goodie bags, in this goodie bag, okay? We got a metal joke thingy. Oh, let's see. Oh, a shirt. Oh, this is so cute. It says dope girl. This is how you know it's official, when you see me rocking this in the streets. Dope girl. Where we also have a grill area if you wanna make some steaks or something. We don't gotta get real serious, but it get real serious on the grill. And that's pretty much it. You know, I don't know what people are cooking in there. So yeah, you guys, that is the dope house tour. This house is raw. It's like a YouTube world, okay? Just all YouTubers in this house. It's a YouTube house. It don't get better than this.
She's so high. It's so funny.
Bye, guys.
Subscribe to us. I'm Diamond. I'm Liz.
Okay, that was not how you end the video. First of all, click the subscribe button. Click the subscribe button. Okay, I'm gonna have so many more videos. And also, leave me a comment down below how you guys like my house. 1 to 10. Rate my house 1 to 10. 1 to 10 and
1 to 10.
thumbs up. All right, I love you guys. Bye.